I've always been a car guy myself, but I never really thought about this profession. But now that I'm doing it, I definitely want to continue.
As a collision repair student at NEWTech, you'll learn in our expansive auto body shop from an instructor with decades of bodywork experience. You'll get hands-on training with buffing and polishing, paint color matching, and so much more.
We went to pull and save. We picked doors off of cars, and we basically had our teacher destroy them, and we got the chance to fix them up and paint them, do cool designs on them, and even work on our own projects.
Students have the option to take this course for 2 years. There are 2 sessions to choose from depending on your schedule, meeting Monday through Friday. Students can receive 3 CTE elective credits per year towards graduation. They can also earn several certificates that can help them get a leg up in this competitive industry, including SP2 collision repair and refinishing safety, structural repair, refinishing, and mechanical and electrical.
My teacher, Mr. Belcher, he worked in a body shop many years of his life, and I think it's super important for an instructor to go into an actual hands-on job before coming and teaching again.
Repair facilities are looking for good technicians, and with opportunities in other areas such as insurance, aerospace and aviation, auto engineering and design, the opportunities are endless.
I think anybody who is struggling to find what they want to do after high school should definitely look into NEWTech, and especially if they don't see themselves sitting in an office the rest of their life, it's definitely another option for a hands-on career.
To apply for the collision repair and auto refinishing program, visit us at SpokaneSchools.org/NEWTech.